we are doing this look today. I want to show you the look I was going for. This is the look I was going for. Let's start off by putting on some heat protectant spray and putting that all over the hair, making sure to really drench it because we are going to be using a straightener. So now I'm going to go ahead and comb the hair, straighten it out. Oh, this part is so tedious. I personally do not like straightening my hair because it takes forever, but you have to comb it out and straighten as you go. I got lazy towards the end and you'll see I have to redo some parts, but go ahead and just straighten your hair in this portion. And let me go ahead and speed this up. Damn, but I also noticed that I have like this resting bitch face while getting ready, so don't mind my cara in these because I'm very concentrated and my hands started to get hot, so I had to wear my glove. But yeah, the face, I can't concentrate while editing this because I'm like, why does my face look like that? Okay, anyways, now we're on to parting. You're gonna part your middle part and section the hair off for the hairstyle now. I'm gonna continue straightening my hair. Yes, continue straightening it. It's literally taking a century. And then my poor little Toby, he was there waiting for me to go outside to pee and I didn't even notice him. Don't worry, I did notice him and I did take him outside, but I was finishing up straightening it. There you go, he's out. And voila, it's like magic. It's finally straightened. Okay, so starting with the hairstyle, I'm going to part it by the ear, comb all the way up, section the bang portion. And if there's one little tip I can suggest now that I've finished the look and wish that when I went back, I put gel as I was combing so that all my little flyaways look a little bit neater. And other than that, I think I would do the exact same thing. But going on, I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side, sectioning it off by the ear and then combing upwards. I did hold one side with a hair tie just because I have so much hair and I needed it to stay up. And then I just combed everything together, put it up with an elastic band. And then tightened it, making sure that none of the other hair was getting caught into the elastic band because that's the most annoying thing. Then grabbing a strand of the hair from the back of the ponytail and wrapping it around so that you don't see the elastic. And then grabbing a bobby pin. I think I use 2 bobby pins to secure this look. Last but not least, I got this styling wax and applied it all over my hair. It didn't help too much because honestly I still had flyaways. Again, the gel would have helped, and then some hairspray at the end. But other than that, that is the finished look. Finally done with my hair. That literally took forever. However, I did want to add a little oomph to the look. I normally fill in like these little sparse areas with eyeshadow, but let me get this right before I say what it is. ARHGOAT. ARHGOAT. It's a hair fiber company. They just sent me this. Never tried this before and it may ruin my whole entire look. However, I did want to try this out. It gives full and thicker hair, wind and sweat resistant, because you don't want your fake hair blowing in the wind when you get a little of air. So these fibers are made with a keratin protein. So it just gives a fuller, thicker look. I'm gonna try this out. It came with, I think it's like a hairline simulator. I don't know. Like, is it supposed to be like this or like this? I don't know. But let's try it out. Maybe I have to go like this. Oh, that's insane. I don't like this thing. I really don't. Let me just blend it out. Oh, that's cool. Stop. This could have been handy for me when I was bald. Look closely. It's very interesting. It does come off pretty easily, like if you're touching it, but I feel like it does the job covering it up. But this is the before and the after. What do you think? I like it because it's easy. It's easy in comparison to the eyeshadow. I think this is my new favorite thing. This, I could do without. I could do without this thing. It's fake hairline, because it really looks fake. I'm gonna try it without the... I think I like it without the... Does that look like crazy fake hairline? Like I just got laser hair removal on my hairline. And you could just brush away whatever you don't need, so. I am impressed. I'm impressed. How much is this thing? I would buy this again. I was using the spray hairline. Girl or boy, I would suggest this. If you need a little touch up, if you're balding, this would have been handy for me with my alopecia. Anyways, I recommend. I have a 10% off code that I will leave linked here and in the description bar below for you to try. I like it. Okay. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I will see you guys all in my next video. Hopefully it will be very soon. And yeah, bye.